Welcome to Daily Cashback Travel, the only travel engine in the world that offers cashback every time you travel. Whether you're looking to book airline tickets, hotels, car rentals, or vacation packages, Daily Cashback Travel not only offers the lowest rates on the internet, but we are the first and only travel engine that gives you cashback. Here's how it works. When you're ready to travel, create a free customer account on our website and then book your trip. After your completed booking, you will have cash waiting for you. It's that easy. You can even invite your friends to book on Daily Cashback Travel and earn a commission every time someone books a trip. We call that word-of-mouth advertising, and the word is spreading fast. You see, travel websites like Expedia, Orbitz, Travelocity, Kayak, and others spend millions of dollars on expensive advertising every year to get people to book trips on their sites. With Daily Cashback Travel, instead of paying advertising companies, we pay you to tell others. When you tell your friends about Daily Cashback Travel, not only will they get cashback every time they travel, but as a reward for referring them, we pay you a percentage of their booking revenue. That means that by telling a few friends that they can simply travel for less and get cash back, you could be earning on thousands of people each and every day as they book their travel. And the best part? It's 100% free. Save money with the lowest rates on the internet. Get cash back every time you travel. Share it with your friends and start earning money. Join the millions of people worldwide who are saving and earning with Daily Cashback Travel.